Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some potato curry. A delicious hearty meal to feed a family or perfect for meal prepping for the week. So for this recipe I'm using a combination of 3 different potatoes, but of course you can use whichever ones you prefer. Once the potatoes have been peeled and washed, we're just going to slice them up into medium to small pieces until we have about 5 to 6 cups. Then next we're going to dice up 1 onion. Now for this recipe I like to parboil the potatoes until they're just very slightly tender. While the potatoes are cooking, we're just going to fry up the onion. Adding to that about 2 teaspoons of garlic. Just fry the onion and the garlic for a couple of minutes until the onion is nice and soft. To that we're then going to add in the curry powder. For this recipe I'm using a Madras curry. To that we're then going to add in the paprika and the ginger, and simply cook for a couple of minutes to release those flavours. To that we're then going to add in 1 tin of tomatoes, stirring through to combine. We're just going to let that cook for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of vegetable stock. Again, just giving that a good mix through. Then once that's heated through for a couple of minutes, we're going to add in the 2 tins of coconut milk, one tin of chickpeas that have been drained and rinsed, and finally add in the potatoes. Then give that a good mix through. We're then going to drop the temperature down, pop a lid on it, and simmer for 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, we're going to add in the peas. Give them a good mix through. Then pop the lid back on and simmer for a final 10 minutes. After 30 minutes, the mixture should thicken and the potato should be lovely and soft. Now you can definitely just eat this on its own, or you can serve it up with some brown rice. It's so good. It's such a warm and hearty meal. I just love it. As always, I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so, hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!